Hey y'all, it's Beth here, your instructor for Writing 122, and we're at week 1. We're at the beginning of the course. By now, I'm going up. By now you have looked at the introductory material, I hope. I made y'all a video for welcoming you to the class. The Getting Starting book is good for talking about how Moodle works and how the computer services work here at Lane. The syllabus is a book that will tell you everything, literally, that you need to know about the course, how to get in touch with me, the grading, the rubric, the assignments, and everything. And I hope that you've looked at the schedule of assignments, kind of how to plan the next 2 months of your summer. Now we're in week 1, and during this week, we're getting acquainted with ourselves. We're getting acquainted with the course and how it works. If you've already taken an online class, you're home free. You know the ropes. If this is your first time, I would suggest that you spend some time this week just playing around with Moodle, making sure you know how to post things, how you get on the forums, just looking around, seeing if you need any help with any of the formatting. What we're going to be doing this week is basically, like I said, getting to know ourselves, getting to know the course. We'll have a course introductions forum due on Wednesday with responses due on Friday. As with all of our classes, things are due on either Friday, Wednesday, Friday, or Sunday, and your writing assignment due on Sunday. Since we don't have much this week, I would suggest, I've only assigned you to read the first 27 pages of the circle. I would suggest that you read farther. We're not going to read the entire book, but you might want to read ahead just to see what's happening in the book. Anyway, this first week, I will be in my office most of all of Monday. And if you need to see me, I'll be in my office, room 436 in the center building. Otherwise, I can see you by appointment. You can always get in touch with me by email. Let me know if you have problems. Talk to you soon.